pretty good. Hi, Bells.
Hi.
You want to try that sweet potato pie?
Yeah.
All right, go for it. There's some right on that fork right there. Eat it all up and tell me what you think.
It's very good.
Thumbs up? 2 thumbs up. Sweet.
Can we have some pie? Give us some pie. That pie looks so good. Can we have some pie? Give us some pie.
Hey, how you doing? Hey, give me some of that pie. I heard you got some pie. I want some pie. I like pumpkin pie. Hey, where you going? What, you're not gonna give me any pie? Huh. I don't need you. I'll go make my own pie.
Hey, where's the pie? I heard you make some pie. Where is it? Is it over there? Is it over there? Is it over there? Hey, where's the pie? I don't see the pie. I smell the pie. Is it over there? It could be over there. Is it over there? Where's the pie? Hey, where's the pie?